Meaning of ferryman.
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 Ferryman. A ferryman is a person who operates a ferry to transport people or goods across bodies of water, such as rivers or lakes. This occupation has existed for centuries and is often associated with folklore and mythology. The ferryman is typically responsible for ensuring the safety of passengers and cargo, as well as maintaining the vessel used for transportation. In some cultures, the ferryman has been portrayed as a figure who guides souls across the river Styx to the afterlife.